Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To all the moms out there, you're believers and slaves of Allah SWT, just like anybody else in your household. I know during Ramadan you do extra duty, double duty, and throughout your life you are the anchor of your household. I get it. I understand. Once a mom, always a mom till you go to your grave. So Alhamdulillah for this privilege that Allah SWT has granted you and I as a mother. Allah SWT has given you the authority over His amana. However, in order for you to nurture them, to protect them, to raise them properly into the best slaves of Allah SWT that you are granted a job description for, you need to take care of yourself. And how do you take care of yourself? By taking the time to build your own personal relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. How do you do that? You connect with Allah every day. You don't rush your things. You don't rush your salah. You don't rush your Quran reading because you prioritize your personal connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And during Ramadan, you actually get the least possible time for that connection building. But this time, this month is the best possible time to reconnect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Believing sisters, the mothers out there, we need to actually ensure that we take this month for ourselves. Not for iftari, cooking, samosas, pakoras, and everything that everybody loves having. Yes, it's okay. Do the cooking. But do take the time for your Quran reading with understanding of content, the translation, and the tafsir, the context, right? So it's very important that you do that for your own sake. Remember, the aulad or the mal, the children and wealth are the adornment of this world. But these are not the dunya, these are not the destination. The destination ultimately is the seeking Allah's pleasure. So remember to focus on that. Remember to build your connection. Remember to strengthen your learning about Quran. This Ramadan is also for you. You're not the cooking person. You're also first and foremost Allah's slave. Remember that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.